Ever face those everyday problems that just make you want to scream? Well, scream no more. Stick around and I'll show you some super simple solutions for common issues. Hey there, welcome to Everyday Hacks. And today we're tackling those little annoyances with quick and easy fixes. Let's dive right in. First up, stubborn jar lids. We've all been there, right? Trying to open a jar and feeling like it's sealed with industrial glue. Here's a trick. Grab a rubber glove or a piece of plastic wrap for extra grip, or run the lid under hot water for a few seconds to expand the metal. Voila, jar open. No Hulk strength needed. Next, let's talk about the mess of tangled cables. It's like they have a party when we're not looking. Solution? Use binder clips to keep them in line on your desk. Or, if you're feeling crafty, repurpose toilet paper rolls to store and separate your cables. Cable chaos tame. The dreaded fading phone battery. You look away for 1 second and it's at 5%. Lower your screen brightness, close those apps you're not using, and turn off those unnecessary notifications. Oh, and don't forget to enable battery saver mode. Your phone will thank you, and so will your sanity. Stuck zippers are next on our list. They can turn your day into a real zip-tastrophe. But fear not. Just rub a graphite pencil over the teeth of the zipper, or use a bar of soap to lubricate it. Zip, zip, hooray. And finally, those smelly shoes. We've all got that one pair. Pop a few dry tea bags inside overnight to absorb the odor, or sprinkle some baking soda in there. Your nose, and anyone who sits next to you, will appreciate it. There you have it. Quick fixes for some everyday headaches. Which hack was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more handy tips. Thanks for watching.